Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying there is a usable backup. This is the only reliable path to recover deleted call history. Open Settings and check iCloud backups, or connect your iPhone to a computer and inspect Finder/iTunes backups. Make sure the backup date predates the deletion. If it does not, stop and contact your carrier. Once you confirm a backup, note whether it's encrypted. Encrypted backups include call logs and passwords, which is critical for a full recovery. Now perform the restore. If using iCloud, you must erase the iPhone and restore during initial setup. Erase, sign into iCloud, and pick the backup you inspected. If using a computer, connect the phone, open Finder or iTunes, choose Restore Backup and select the right date. Enter the backup password if it's encrypted. Take your time. Restoring overwrites current data. Once the restore completes, your deleted call history should reappear because backups keep the call records as of the backup. Finish by opening the phone app and confirming the call history is restored. Check recent and voicemail if included. If the restore fails or shows an older state, try another backup or verify the encrypted backup password. Encrypted backups are often the only ones that contain call logs. If you have no backup, contact your carrier to request call records. Carriers can provide logs, though they may be limited and take time. If any step errors, make a fresh backup before retrying to avoid further loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.